Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you my secrets for achieving that perfect Instagram trending aesthetic photo edit. So I break down exactly how to use EPIK on your mobile to create gorgeous, eye-catching aesthetic backgrounds that will make your photos stand out in the feed. Now let's just get started. You can just open a EPIK app on your mobile. You can also use any other photo editor such as PixArt, and in here you can go to the background options, and here I'm going to find the background from I'm going to use the retro options. Let's use this backgrounds in here. And now change the ratio to match the Instagram story. So here I'm going to choose story and adjust the background just like this. Now find the add photo options and add your photos into the background. Here I'm going to add, let's say, this photo is right here. Click on next, and now click on the cutout to remove the background of the photo. Now I'm going to just use the portrait option, so it will automatically detect the photo. Hit on a check icon. Now adjust the size of the photo and put it in the middle of the canvas just like this. And in here I'm going to just go to style. You can add stroke. Here you can choose the color of the stroke. Let's say I'm going to just go with white in here, and you can adjust the thickness, you can adjust the distance, and if you want to make a dash, you can adjust the slider on the dash option in here. Okay, after that you can just hit on the check icon. You can also add the shadow options in here. You can adjust the feather, the opacity of the shadow. I'm going to go with 85 and adjust the angle of the shadow. I'm going to go with 72, and the distance I think I'm going to go with 48. And you can see you can compare the before and after. Now you can just hit on a check icon, and you can hit on the save or export to save the photo. So guys, that's how you can create a static photo for Instagram using EPIK. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you love a good aesthetic photo. Subscribe and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.